Okay guys, at the casino playing some Happy Lantern. We're going $7.50 bets for a little while. See how we go with that. That should be pretty big. Want to give a shout out to Peter from Melbourne. Sent me a picture of a great win he had on Caribbean Gold. Posted on my Facebook page if you want to go and have a look. Feel free to post what you like there. Be respectful to other people, and it's all good. Six of those we need. Three of the dragons for free spins. Used to be one of my favorites, this one, and then it seemed to disappear. Wow. The casino's treating me the same as the pub. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry about that, I'm back. Come on, come on. Nearly. That was close. We're not getting anything here. Oh, there's a bit. $56. That was beautiful. Yeah, so Brisbane Vegas slots on two more. Brisbane Vegas slots on Facebook. Check it out. Check out Peter's post. Really good win it was. I wish I could get a win like that right about now. Oh, there we go. How much is that? That could be a bit. 75. Beautiful. Come on. 3 more. Come on, one bonus please. Had a couple of good line hits. We just need that one bonus. Go Turtles. 39. My wife just got a fairly decent sized bonus beside me. Wow. Looks like our game is over. Alright. Hope you enjoyed that one. Unfortunately, another loss. No bonuses. But thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you again shortly with another one. Alright, I'll put another 100 in. We've dropped it to 2 cents. $3 bets. $5 bets. See how this goes for us. Come on. Come on, Dragon Man. Come on, one more. Oh. Nothing at all. Come on, 3 more. 3 more. Wow. Oh my goodness. The extra 100 didn't really work, did it? Last one. No, nothing. Alright, thanks for watching. See you again shortly. Alright, I came back for a bit more. We're going green and gold for Australia. 6 games, 200 wilds. So 6 games is the worst. 200 wilds is the best. Hopefully we can get something massive on this. It's not looking promising. Oh my goodness, come on, last one, full screen. 110. That's something. We'll give it another crack and see what happens. Alright, so I put back all that money and now we got the wow, we got this lightning link bonus. Got a beautiful $100 ball sitting there. Sorry about that. Not a lot. I think I might cash and run. That's about $250 odd. That might be enough, I feel. I don't think it's going to give me any more. Back to back. Back to back. Just hope we don't get in trouble. Green and gold for Australia. 6 and 200. Well, this screwed us last time. Hopefully this is a bit better. It's not starting that way. Come on, full screen. Full screen of wilds, please. 2 more spins. Last one, nothing. Wow. Oh, 3 in a row, 3 bonuses in a row. Have a look at that. Wow. And they're big numbers too. I feel that is, come on, keep it going. I feel that's my money back. Come on, last one, hit it. Nah, it's still pretty good. That's not bad. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, I'm going to play down to 500. If I get something else, I'll be back. If not, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you again shortly with another one.